Conjunctions are words that connect other words, phrases, or clauses together in a sentence. They help create smooth flow between related ideas and build more complex sentences. Today, we practice using conjunctions to make better English sentences. Conjunctions are glue words that join different parts of a sentence together. They connect words, phrases, or clauses to show relationships between ideas. The main purpose of conjunctions is to create smooth flow and build complex sentences from simple ones. There are three main types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect equal elements like for and nor but or yet so. Subordinating conjunctions join dependent clauses to main clauses like after, although, because, since, unless, while, when. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs like both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Coordinating conjunctions join equal parts of a sentence and adds similar ideas together, but shows contrast between two things or presents a choice between options, so shows a result or consequence. Use a comma before coordinating conjunctions when joining two complete sentences. Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to a main clause because shows reason or cause when sets a time relationship, although shows contrast with the main idea, if creates a condition. These conjunctions help explain why, when, or under what conditions something happens. Correlative conjunctions always work in pairs to connect balanced elements, both and combines two similar subjects or ideas, either or shows alternatives, neither nor negates both options, not only but also adds an extra positive quality. These pairs create parallel structure in sentences. Now practice choosing the right conjunction. When you want something but reality prevents it, use but. When combining two positive qualities of a person, use both and. When giving someone two opposing choices, use either or. When explaining why someone did something, use because. Here are the correct answers, but shows contrast between wanting to go and rain preventing it. Both and combines the positive qualities of being smart and kind. Either or gives the choice between studying and failing, because explains the reason for staying home with sickness. Now combine multiple ideas using conjunctions. Take three simple ideas and connect them with although, because, and. Choose the right conjunction to show cause and effect like but or because. Add missing conjunctions to make a choppy list flow smoothly as one sentence. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, and clauses to create clear relationships. Coordinating conjunctions join equal parts using for and nor but or yet so. Subordinating conjunctions explain time, reason, and conditions. Correlative pairs create balanced structure. Practice these to build smooth, complex sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.